In this lesson, I will explain to you scientific notation for 10 to the power 6. Now, what is the meaning of this 10 to the power 6? Suppose if someone asks you how many seconds are there in 1 year or 365 days. So 365 days in a year, multiply by 24 hours, multiply by 60 minutes, multiply by 60 seconds. And when we will run this code, we will get this big figure, right? In order to convert this figure into million, we will use 10 to the power 6. So how we will do this? First you have to press underscore, right? Underscore divided by 1e6. This represents the figure in million. And now I am going to run this. I will get 31.536 million. So this is 10 to the power 6. Now suppose if I say, okay, how many seconds are there in a leap year? And in leap year, we have 366 days. So again, we have to run. We will get this big figure again, right? So in order to convert this figure into million, we will run this again. We will get 31.6224 million. Now, if you want to see both 365 days and 366 days on this screen, so what you have to do, select this cell, right? This is the copy, and where you want to copy it, and here paste. So see, now it is 366. We will make it 365. Again, you have to run. So this is the result of 365 days. There are this much seconds in 365 days, and these are the seconds for 366 days. Similarly, if you want to convert this, again go there. We will do copy this time, copy, and then paste. So here again you have to run it, because this answer or this output belongs to 366. You have to run. So here you go, 31.536 million for 365 days, and this is the result for 366 days. So we have learned in this lesson scientific notation for 10 to the power 6. One more thing I will show you here, which we have discussed earlier. Suppose these are the variables: x is equal to 5, y is equal to 7, z is equal to 4, and we want to print what is the value of z only. We will run it and then z will come, right? If you want to go on this cell directly, you can click with the help of mouse. Yes, we can go there if we want to edit something. But if you want to use your arrow, up and down arrow, so see, when I will press up arrow, we have to go here, right? So see, first it will go here, then it will go to the y variable, then it will go to the x variable, then it will come here, and then it will move. So see, 4 or 5 or 6 times you have to press up arrow. But if you want that directly it should go to this cell, it should not go to z and y and x variable. Directly it should go to this cell and then directly. So you have to press escape key on your keyboard. So see, now this is green. This is the active cell. When I will press escape key, the color will change. It is blue. It means it is in the escape mode. Now it will not go to z, y and x variable. Directly it will move to the other cells. So this is also one of the important feature of Python. You have to practice it. If any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.